Hi Tingalu, how are you?
Fine, Dr. Issac, sir. What is new Ph.D. rule, sir?
He new Ph.D. regulations, University Grants Commission, minimum standards and procedures for award of Ph.D. degree regulations, 2022, says a candidate should have a minimum of 75% marks in aggregate or its equivalent grade on a point scale wherever the grading system is followed.
How many PhDs are unemployed in India, sir?
Academia. A career in academia is among the most popular choices for Indian Ph.D. holders. There are plenty of opportunities for teaching and research at universities and colleges across the country.
Is Ph.D. mandatory for assistant professor from 2023?
Ph.D. no longer mandatory for assistant professor posts in universities. UC Chairman.
What is the failure rate of Ph.D. in India?
Out of the total number of enrollments in a doctoral course, only 8%-10% of the scholars manage to complete the program.
Who is the first Ph.D. holder in India?
Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's real surname was Ambedkar. But his teacher, Mahadev Ambedkar, gave him Ambedkar's surname in the school records. 3. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the first Indian to get a doctorate, Ph.D. degree in economics from abroad.
Which Ph.D. has highest salary in India?
The highest salary may increase based on experience, knowledge, talents, and other factors.
What is the salary of professor after Ph.D.?
The national average salary for an assistant professor with Ph.D. is, superscript 1, 67,446 in India.
What causes Ph.D. failure?
One of the biggest causes of failure to complete a doctorate is incompatibility/issues with one's dissertation chair. And with good reason. You will be working one-on-one with this person for at least 5 years, on average, so it's best to set yourself up for success in that regard.
Which Ph.D. takes less time?
Professional students with a Doctor of Public Administration program have earned their doctorate credentials within 3 to 4 years. Considered as one of the shortest doctorate programs, the PA program only requires a minimum of 49 credit hours of coursework and dissertation work.
What is the minimum Ph.D. time in India?
3 years. A Ph.D. course is usually of 3 years duration, and candidates need to complete the course within a maximum time span of 5 to 6 years. However, the course duration may vary from one institute to the other. Aspirants need to possess a master's degree to be eligible to pursue a Ph.D. program.
Do every Ph.D. students get paid in India?
Candidates admitted to the Ph.D. program regular are eligible for a monthly stipend from MHRD of INR 31,000 for the first 2 years and a monthly stipend of INR 35,000 for the next 3 years. After 5 years, they are eligible for monthly financial assistance of INR 12,000 for 1 year.
What are the benefits of Ph.D. in India?
Most are renowned for preparing students to succeed at international corporations and to build a strong global reputation. Benefits of doing a Ph.D. at an Indian university. Research fellowships and scholarships. Global recognition. Affordability. Variety of specialization. Dynamic culture and diversity.
Can I directly become professor after Ph.D.?
In order to become a professor, candidates must complete their Ph.D. in a relevant subject from a recognized university. Students aspiring to become a professor after 12th can pursue Ph.D. courses across various streams depending on the subject that they want to specialize in.
Why do Ph.D. students quit?
People stop their Ph.D. for a variety of reasons, including to pursue job opportunities, to focus on external life priorities, or simply because they lose interest.
Can a Ph.D. be rejected?
And the Ph.D. program, you might face rejection at 2 stages. First, if your research proposal is not appropriate, and second, if your developed thesis is not right on certain parameters.
Thank you, sir, for better information about Ph.D. program. Thank you again.
Okay. Thank you, Tingalu, thank you.